Hi my little friends, how are you today? Today we are going to see lesson 16. In this lesson we are going to see how to form plurals. What are plurals? Plurals means many. For some of the words it is very easy to form the plural. We can do it just by adding an S in the end. We are going to see a few such words in this lesson. There are some words for which it is not enough to just add an S. Like mangoes. One mango, many mangoes. Do you see how the spelling changed in the end? But for this lesson, we will see only the words which can be made plural by adding an S in the end. Like this. One pin, many pins. Let's read. We will still follow the same rule. Green box first, orange box next, and pink box in the end. Let's read. Hats, hats. Caps, caps. Hens, hens. Pens, pens. Dots, dots. Nuts, nuts. Cups, cups. Plums, plums. Frogs, frogs. Lamps, lamps. Bells, bells. Let's practice some more words. Pots, pots. Pigs, pigs. Clubs, clubs. Claps, claps. Crabs, crabs. Drums, drums. Awesome! Practice some more such words with your parents and you can even try to write them. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.